If you have mastered the basics of steam oven cooking as outlined in part 1 and 2 of this series, then it's time to explore other ways of making good use of your steam oven. In part 3, we will cover the basics of cooking multiple dishes at one time. Now, steaming multiple foods at one time is easy. Once the oven is set to the steam mode, you can steam any grain, vegetables, pulses, fish and shellfish, and even eggs. And this makes meal preparation much easier. For example, if you are planning a summer barbecue, you can steam potatoes and eggs for potato salad, broccoli and couscous for a salad, orzo pasta and shrimp, corn on the cob. The possibilities are endless. All you have to do is to plan the staging of the oven and the timing for each item. Now, best of all, while the foods are steaming, you can focus on preparing the other components for each salad and easily assemble each dish as the food is being cooked. Not only can you easily prepare multiple dishes this way, but there'll be no cooktop or saucepans to clean, and the cooking containers can be washed in the dishwasher. Now, steam ovens generally come with a solid pan and perforated pans, but if you need extra pans, I find using these glass dishes works really well, especially for smaller quantities of food. So it's your choice. Saucepans or steam oven with containers, and look at the feast you can prepare in no time. But it does take planning. Hi, I'm Larissa, your convection enthusiast. Convection cooking can make you a better cook. Check out my videos and I think you'll find that you'll do really, really well. And please like and subscribe.